Hello guys, today let's talk about the making money online niche. Are you a content creator and you want to go into the making money online niche? Then you need to take this video into consideration. The making money online niche is a very high paying niche. If you venture into this niche and you do everything the way it's supposed to be, you will make 4 to 5 figures monthly on YouTube. But despite this niche having a high paying niche, there are some problems attached to it. When you venture into this niche and you get views from big countries like Canada, Europe, US and the rest, you will make a very huge amount of money at the end of each month. But we are not looking at the money aspects here, and I'm not trying to discourage you from venturing into this niche. If you can do it and you can handle, if you have the expertise to handle it properly, then you can go ahead and venture into it. But if you didn't have the expertise, if you didn't have the adequate knowledge on this niche, it is better you go for other options and other kind of niche that are available. The making money online niche is the most controversial niche here on this YouTube street. You see this niche, it is very controversial because you, the creator, will look out for platforms out there which you are going to test, and if it work for you, you come back and share with your audience, asking your audience to go and invest in that platform. Now where the problem comes in is that you have tested the platform and it has worked for you. You have now asked your audience to invest in such a platform. Now this kind of platform, at first they will be working, and after some time this platform will close down and they will stop working. Now peradventure, those your audiences who you have introduced them to the platform, at the beginning they were making money and earning interest, but after some time the platform run away with their money. Now if this your audience gets angry and report you to YouTube, you have a very big problem. YouTube will not take it lightly with you. This is why the making money online is very controversial. You might go and test a platform today, it's working, and later on this platform will crash, this platform will stop working. You see, meanwhile you have introduced millions or thousands of people to such a platform, and they have invested their hard earned money in it. These people, when they report you to YouTube will not take it lightly with you. This is why you should be very careful when you are introducing your audience to any making money online scheme online. The making money online niche has several things to consider when venturing into it. This is why you must be very, very careful about this niche. In as much that the CPM is very, very high, in as much that you tend to pull out views and you earn high, you need to consider this. So many brands are out there. Some of them are real, some are legit, why some are not. And if you are into this kind of content, you tend to pull out more views, more subscribers, and immediately you get to 1,000, 2,000 subscribers. This making money scheme will reach out to you, asking you to promote their platform for them. They might give you a dedicated website for you to share on your videos. You should verify this website, this link, before you add them to your video, so that you won't end up misleading people. You won't be the cost of people losing their money, because when YouTube notice this, they will definitely get back at you. And how will they get back at you? You might end up losing your channel. You and I know how hard it is to grow, to build a channel. Imagine now that it is time for you to eat the reward of your labor, and you end up losing your channel. So before venturing into the making money online niche, make sure that you have adequate knowledge. Know the YouTube community guidelines pertaining this kind of content before venturing into it. Having said all this, you watching this video, are you into the making money online niche? What are the challenges or some of the problems that you are facing right now? Please share your thoughts and opinion in the comment section, so that we'll discuss and iron it out with you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.